Hello everyone, this is the tutorial for Monday, February 8th, periods 1 and 2, adulting. So today we went over our weekly agenda. This week we are completing our Mental Health Monday, week number 2. On Tuesday, we're going to get into lesson 2, which is all about beginning with the end in mind. So making a plan and thinking about things that we want to include in that plan for our adult life. That's going to lead us into some exercises, such as a vision board, which we're going to do on a silhouette. And that's going to lead us into habit 3, which is putting first things first. So we're going to talk about what our big rocks are. So that would be the things that are most important to us. We'll look at how you can prioritize those things and make sure that they are at the forefront in your life. With that being said, one activity we'll do to explore that is a values and gingerbread cookies. So there are 2 sheets in your supply bag, a list of values and then a list that has gingerbread cookie cutouts. Make sure that you bring those if you're on campus Thursday or Friday. Friday, we're going to complete that activity and reflection and then get into a small group discussion on how societal trends can affect the way that we prioritize things. Today specifically, we went through announcements. They're linked here if you want to watch them. There was an update to announcements. They had to move the student government drive-in movie to February 24th at 6 p.m. just because of the temperatures outside wouldn't allow the projector to work. Our morning check-in is linked here and it's on Google Classroom. It's a Monday mental health check-in. And then we've got into our journal. Reminders I gave, snapshot slides are past due. That's a summative assessment worth 85 points. You have until Thursday to turn it in for credit. You also need to turn in your Shake Out Your Future activity from Friday if you haven't already. And then complete your mental health journal. So today we focused on pages 5, 6, and 7. So just like last week on page 5, you're going to go through your grades. If a teacher doesn't have grades in, you write that. If you have homeroom or lunch during a class period, you write that. If you do have a grade, go ahead and record it. And then on page 6, on the left-hand side, you talk about how you're going to maintain the grades that you're happy with. On the right-hand side, you focus on proactive strategies you can use to get the grades up that you need to and feel solid about everything that's going on in your academic life. Finally, on page 7, we completed our mental health journal entry number 2. Now, last week, I had a prompt for everybody just so we could practice how to do it. This week, you get to choose. So for my example, I went on to the prompt sheet, page 3. This is under Monday mental health activities and materials, and it's this black and white presentation. You also have a copy of it, hard copy, in your supply bag. So I chose anxiety. I clicked on it, and then I scrolled through all the options. The one that I chose to do was option 2, which is on, you guessed it, the second page. So I read through the instructions, and then I just copy and pasted the prompt right here, so I had it. Then I took 2 minutes to complete my answers to the prompt. I put the topic I focused on and the option number up here, just to keep track of the ones I've done and then the ones that I can still do throughout the semester. Once you finished it, you resubmit your journal and you're good to go. After that, I let people go and I caught people up on work that they were missing, and we wrapped up class. If you have any questions on what we covered, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you're having a great Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow.